Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian Gastronomy, recipe for Pachamanca a la Olla. Ready a delight to the palate. Pachamanca is a dish with ancestral cultural roots from the Andes of Peru and consists of digging a hole in the ground, placing some stones in it, previously heated with firewood. Then, put on top various types of meats previously marinated and seasoned with ingredients such as huacatay, chili, cumin, pepper and other spices, potatoes, cassava, sweet potato, corn, cheese, beans and other ingredients. In 2003 it was declared cultural heritage of the nation, for being a dish that transcends Peruvian history and having an exquisite flavor. Pachamanca comes from the Quechua words pacha, which means earth, and manca, which means pot, so the meaning would be pot of earth. Another meaning, this time in Aymara, is food from the land, since manca or manca means food. Now we will recreate Pachamanca in a pot. Ingredients: 1 bundle of huacatay, 1 bundle of chincho, 1 cup of black beer, 1 cup of chicha de jora, 3 tablespoons of ponca chili, 1 tablespoon yellow chili, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon cumin, 3 tablespoons of salt, 5 pieces of chicken, 1½ kilogram pork belly, 1½ kilogram strip roast, 2 corn with ponca, 5 habanero potatoes, 5 sweet potatoes, 5 geese, 300 grains of beans, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1 tablespoon ground oregano, 3 pancas of corn. Preparation: remove the half bundle of chincho and huacatay. Put it in the blender with a little bit of water. Transfer it to a more or less large bowl and add the spices, liquids and so on, except the meats. With this preparation you are going to season the meats. Remember that each meat must be in a container. Once finished, cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. Leave it there from one day to the next. The next day, in the pot where you will prepare the pachamanca, place the corn pancas, the chincho and huacatay twigs that you have left over. Then, put the meats that must be browned previously, add a little more dressing, cover again with panca and put the vegetables, add dressing again and cover with the last layer of panca and cover the pot well. Cooking takes approximately 1 hour at minimum heat. Always remember to be aware so that it does not burn. Once the time has passed, it should be ready to serve. You can accompany it with chili or the cream of your preference. If you think it will not be enough in one pot, do it in 2 since it must be well covered, otherwise it will not cook completely and some vegetables will remain raw. Ready a delight to the palate.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.